Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Keap contact tags and sequences, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Keap contact tags, start by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the contacts section from the main menu on the left. Search for the specific contact whose tags you wish to remove. Click on the contact's name to open their profile. Scroll down to the tags section located on the contact profile page. You will see a list of tags assigned to that contact. To remove a tag, click the X next to the tag you want to uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure the tag is deleted. To uninstall sequences, go back to the main menu and click on the Automation option. Select the Sequences tab to view all available sequences. Locate the sequence you want to uninstall from the list. Click on the sequence name to access its details. Find the Manage or Actions drop-down menu in the sequence details. Choose the Pause or Delete option, depending on your needs. If deleting, confirm your decision when prompted. Repeat the process for any other sequences you wish to uninstall. Once completed, verify that the tags and sequences are no longer associated with the contacts. You have now successfully uninstalled Keap contact tags and sequences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.